Thank you, friends, for a very warm welcome. Today I am going to speak on a topic, and my topic is keeping your inner dynamo alive. What do I mean by that? What is that inner dynamo? For example, imagine that you want to play in inter-school cricket tournament and you are practicing for that, or your family is going abroad and you are planning all your sightseeing activities, or your favorite video game you are playing and you are now reaching almost the last level. So in all these situations, friend, you have that inner buzz, you have that excitement, you have that nerve which makes you work, makes you attain something. And this nerve, this excitement is your inner dynamo. My favorite author, Chetan Bhagat, you must have read about him. He uses the word spark for this inner dynamo. I am referring it as inner dynamo. This is your inner power station. I am going to speak about how to keep this inner dynamo alive. उसको alive कैसे रखना है, उसको charge कैसे रखना है, right? So certainly when we want to keep it alive, we have to power it, number one, and number two, you have to protect it. So first let us understand how can I power my inner dynamo. Certainly like any dynamo, this dynamo also requires a battery pack. I am saying not battery but battery pack, means more than one battery certainly, correct? So this battery pack has to be charged. Like daily we put our mobile to charge. Similarly, even this live battery pack also requires charge. So how to do that? Number one, have very meaningful purpose. Okay, certainly at this stage you have very high stake purposes. Passing 10th, 12th, CET, career, job, many things. I am speaking even about smaller purposes. Friends, I have a set of friends. They got retired like me before Corona. And of course, morning walk, laughter club, evening walk, all that started. And then Corona came. So during Corona, this group joins online music class. Of course, that music teacher is not teaching them some classical music and all. He teaches them light music, one song per week. So every week, these senior citizens were singing one new song. They were practicing one new song. And that kept them, moving ahead. Similarly, one auntie, she knew that her grandchildren are going to visit her from US. So at the age of 75, she started learning how to bake cake, how to make pizza, how to make Chinese, So all this learning something new will keep you alive. So number one, as I said, keep मीनिंगफुल पर्पजेस इन योर लाइफ. कुछ ना कुछ करते रहना है, कुछ ना कुछ अटेन करते रहना है, बिकॉज दैट अटेनमेंट विल गिव यू अ सर्ज ऑफ एनर्जी एंड दैट इज एक्चुअली योर पावर बूस्ट. करेक्ट? नाउ सेकंड थिंग, फ्रेंड, टू कीप आवर डायनामो अलाइव, इट्स हैव वेल राउंडेड एनर्जी हैक्स. आई एम सेइंग वेल राउंडेड. करेक्ट? व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दैट? हैविंग वेल राउंडेड एनर्जी हैक मीन्स मैथ्स में 100 मार्क्स मिला लेकिन हेल्थ में पुअर, नो वेट, आइदर नो प्रॉपर वेट और ह्यूज वेट. करेक्ट? नो हैप्पीनेस, नो गुड फ्रेंड्स अराउंड यू. सो सोशल बैटरी डाउन, करेक्ट? हैप्पीनेस बैटरी डाउन, right? So all these batteries also need to be equally charged. It is not only the academics battery, and that is why there has to be well-rounded energy hack. Chetan Bhagat says very nicely that our life is like a marble and spoon race. Marble and spoon race. So there you have to hold the spoon also, and you have to, that lemon also need not fall. Correct? So that is why balance is very important. What is the use of, getting best employee award on the day of your divorce? Correct? Or what is the use of getting promotion and next day you are getting admitted with heart attack? No point, right? And that is why balanced approach is important. Third very important thing, friend, have a very playful resolve in life. Chetan Bhagat says, we are taking the life very seriously. Meaning, especially 10th standard exam or 12th standard exam. You all as students and even your parents, they take it so seriously that the child feels like committing suicide before or after examination. Is it that important? You know, is that exam that important at the cost of your life? This has happened in my building. Father said you have to get into IIT. Of course, that boy was trying. But what happened? 12th prelim results were out. And he understood that I will not be able to make it. And that boy commits suicide. Correct? So this is not the way, friends. This is absolutely not the way. You be heroic. You be, you have great aims, but not at the cost of your life. So be heroic, be passionate, have great aims, but have playful approach when there is a failure. So face the failure playfully and not seriously. And for that, you need to be sincere and not really serious. Correct? कभी अगर एग्जाम स्टडी से टायर्ड हो गए, डोंट गो टू क्लास, बंक. करेक्ट? जाओ चौपाटी जाओ, भेलपूरी खाओ, डू दैट. एंड नाउ आई नो, आप घर में जाकर बोलोगे एक मैडम आए थे, उन्होंने बोला बंक द क्लास. I have not said that. I said when you are tired of studies, then you once in a while bunk. I am allowing you. Once in a while go to Chowpatty and have bhelpuri. Once in a while go to Tapri, roadside Tapri and have tea with your friend. Uska bhi maza alag hai. You have to enjoy even that also. Correct? So these three things will help you to power your battery pack. Correct? Why I am saying pack? Because there is not one battery, not only academic battery, but social battery, happiness battery, relationship battery, all these batteries have to be equally charged. Second thing what you have to remember is protect yourself, or rather protect your inner dynamo from certain problems. I call it as life tempests. 4 problems है हमारे life में, सबके life में, every one of us has come through that. Correct? What are these tempests? Number 1, when your expectations crash. You feel you have studied so much and still your exam didn't go well. You didn't get good marks. Right? There is a girl in our neighborhood. Her mother used to say, हमारी रीमा 12 घंटे पढ़ती है एग्जाम के लिए, 12, and still she is not getting good marks. And the usual reason told is teachers are partial, the school is partial. One day so happened, I went to her house and I happened to see how she was studying. You know how she was studying? There was book in her hand. One sentence she reads, take a beaker. Then take a beaker, take a beaker, take a beaker, take a beaker, take a beaker. Then take some water, take some water, take some water, take, like that 5 times. So I asked her, क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? So she said, I am studying. Then I said, ऐसा स्टडी करोगे तो 15 घंटा पढ़ के भी आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलने वाला है. Correct? This is not the way to study. Students should learn how to study. Even to read a lesson, you need to scan, skim. There are steps even of reading text. There are steps even to do revision. There are steps even to write answer. So you learn that technique. So when you say कि I studied and didn't get good marks, friend, ask yourself if you are doing the things right way. Correct? So this is very important. Second thing, second storm, second tempest is when life gets stuck. चाहे कुछ करो जॉब नहीं मिलता, चाहे कुछ करो अपॉर्चुनिटी नहीं मिलती है, चाहे कुछ करो यूपीएससी नहीं क्लियर होती है. राइट? सो योर लाइफ इज स्टक देयर. If I ask you, do you know Praveen Tambe? Maybe many of you will say, कौन Praveen Tambe? And this is the name of his biopic. उनके ऊपर जो बायोपिक बनाई है, वो बायोपिक का नाम भी है कौन Praveen Tambe. This Praveen Tambe certainly lived in a very mediocre family. चौल में रहते थे, चौल के गलियों में बॉल नहीं होता था तो टेनिस बॉल से क्रिकेट खेलते थे. But had a dream to be the part of national team. And at the age of 41, he could put the cap of Ranji, correct? IPL में debut हो गया उनका at the age of 41. It means up to 41, more than 2 decades, this boy was rejected. So friends, sometimes success takes time to reach to us. Success मिलने में time लगता है. I remember one story which I saw on the television. There was one boy in Amravati, some very not very 3-tier, 4-tier city. Okay? Parents said BSc करो, BSc किया, job नहीं मिला. Parents said do MSc, MSc किया, job नहीं मिला. Then parents said B.Ed करो, M.Ed करो, still didn't get job. Correct? Then somebody said कि now I think you have learned so much, why don't you try for UPSC? So went to Pune, stayed there for 2 years, tried for UPSC, didn't pass it. And then finally parents said, see, more than this we cannot support you. We have our limitations. हमारे और भी बच्चे हैं. So he comes back. Then friends said कि इतना पढ़ा है now you start taking tuition. So he started taking tuition and students also were coming to him. And Corona came. So stop. And then this boy goes online. He started taking online classes. And he was speaking in Vidarbha style. You know, विदर्भा के लोग जैसे बोलते हैं वैसे वो लैंग्वेज में he started teaching. So certainly the students understood him very well. And he got students all over Maharashtra because it was online. And then the success came. So success takes some time to reach. Okay? Need not think my life is stuck, what will I do? I have nothing. Third enemy, friend, is when you feel your life is rigged. Means आपको लगता है ना कि मेरे साथ या दुनिया में बहुत नाइंसाफी है, as we say, बहुत नाइंसाफी है. Why? You are studying, but your friend gets admission because his father has money. Correct? Then you are giving interview after interview, but somebody gets job because he has connection. Correct? So like that things happen around us. Some people are luckier than you. There are. And then you feel कि आपके साथ नाइंसाफी हुई है, होती है, right? I also used to think भगवान को और कुछ नहीं मिला, कोई नहीं मिला, मुझे blind बनाया. Correct? So that feeling is there, but accept that yes, some people are luckier than you, and especially in Indian scenario, many things would matter for being lucky. For example, आपके horoscope में भी ये planet यही house में चाहिए, ऐसे सब होगा, then only you will become lucky. Girls, you have to be fair and beautiful, then only you will get married. Correct? So it means certain things are there, friends, which are not under your control. बड़े बाप का बेटा या बेटी होना is not in your hand. Intelligent होना is not in your hand. Correct? Fair होना ना होना is not in your hand. Privileged background होना ना होना, it is not in your hand. But what is there in your hand? Perhaps your hard work, sincerity, and passion. With this, you will outlast. Your battery will outlast there. Believe me. Some people may have shortcut to success, but shortcut can be proved as short circuit also. So don't worry if you don't have certain things. And fourth tempest, friend, is when you feel you are running lonely. आप अकेले हो बहुत, right? अकेले हो. I used to feel at the age of 13, doctor diagnosed that I am going to be blind after 1 or 2 years, and I had then no future. मेरे आगे कोई future ही नहीं था. I came also from a very ordinary family. कि ऐसा भी नहीं कि property है, with the help of that I would have sustained in my life. No. Correct? I used to feel दूसरों की जिंदगी कितनी सुंदर है. They have future. They will study. Girls will get married. They will fall in love. And perhaps all those doors are not for me. Correct? But then what did I do? I started getting connected to like-minded people. जिन्होंने भी जिंदगी में भुगता है, जिन्होंने भी जिंदगी में कुछ अटेन किया है in spite of barriers, I started getting connected with them. There is very beautiful one Hindi song. तुम गर बेसहारा हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो. आप बेसहारा फील करते हो तो किसी का सहारा बनो. आप दुखी है तो किसी का दुख बांटो. So that will raise your self-esteem also. And friends, today, among all my friends who were studying with me, and I used to feel their life is like a butterfly's life, beautiful. Very few of them reached graduation, correct? One or two reached post-graduation, but in front of them, I completed my PhD. I became college professor. I retired as a vice principal of a college, and I also got President's Award, right? So all that was there because I knew I had to work, right? And I have to support also my family. So that made me move, and the like-minded people surrounded me, right? So friends, chaho na chaho, every one of us will have this tempest, crashing off of expectations, when you feel the life is stuck, when you feel there is a, cheat code with others, and when you feel you are lonely. So these tempests are there and they will come time to time. चाहो ना चाहो they will come. तो रोज आने ही वाले उनका क्या डरना, उनको क्या डरना? Like after May there is going to be rain. We know it every year. Every year we know in Mumbai twice thrice there is going to be waterlogging. Correct? We know buses चलने वाली नहीं है, trains बंद होने वाली है. Correct? Manhole में कोई गिरने वाला है. Right? So what do? We start carrying umbrella. बारिश हो या ना हो, we carry umbrella and raincoat, right? बारिश हो या ना हो, we start using rainy shoes for entire monsoon period, right? I keep one extra dress in my office locker कि भीग के आएंगे तो there should be one extra dress in the office. We prepare for it. Similarly, we need to prepare for this tempest also. How? Carry the umbrella of positive thinking. Put the rainy shoes of resilience, and for extra dress, have plan B. Correct? Have plan B. So friends, I want to leave you with one thought. We are not the software which is perfect, in the first version. This software is going to be reset. It is going to be upgraded. It is going to encounter bugs. Correct? It is going to be patched. तो फिर उसके लिए क्या दुख करना, isn't it? And that is why keep on evolving, keep on recharge, and keep on rebooting, right? And win. So with this, friend, I end my talk and I wish you all the very best.